Assalamu alaikum. Hello class, welcome to your KG1 class. Today we are going to do our English work. Take out your English books. Mind Quest English book. Open your books, page number 8. Open your books, page number 8. Today we will do the sound and the letter of B. Say B and enjoy the picture. Today which letter we have to do? B. We have to say B and we have to read the stories you can see on the page. So let us start reading. Bobby Bear has a book. Bobby Bear. You can see this bear. Its name is Bobby Bear. यहाँ पे भालू बैठा हुआ है. इसका नाम है Bobby Bear. Has a book. उसके पास क्या है? Book. Very good. Bobby Bear has a book. Next picture. Wow, again a bear. Bobby Bear is holding a bat and a ball. You have a bat ball? Everyone should have a bat ball. Yes. Even I have a bat ball. So, this Bobby Bear also has a bat ball. A Bobby Bear is holding a bat and a ball. Again, a teddy bear is here. But this is small bear. Yes, it is a baby bear. Wow, he is also holding a book in his hand. Baby bear is reading a book. What this baby bear is doing? Baby bear is reading a book. Very good. So, we should read this again. B. Bobby Bear has a book. Bobby Bear is holding a bat and a ball. Baby Bear is reading a book. A bear likes to eat honey and fish. भालू को क्या पसंद है खाना? Honey and fish. शहद और मछली. Yes. Bear likes to eat honey and fish. Very good. The beginning B is a sound of B. B bear, B book, B bat, B ball. Again baby bear, B baby, B bear. So we have to read the sounds also. Now come to page number 9. Write today's date, 13th July 2020. Start from the dot, trace, write B. You can see this yellow box, it's written B. We have to trace on these dots. From the top dot, we have to start our tracing and we have to finish our B. So, let us start. Please, while writing, touch the dots and write. Come down and curve. Again you have to make the same and you have to do like this. Start from the dot, trace down and write B. Then you see there are the dots and remember the beginning letters, the capital letter always starts from the red line and touch the second blue line. Write on the dots and work should be very neat. You have to do all these letters very nice and neatly. Write on the dots and you have to complete full page. Page number 9. Trace the dots while writing. Read them loudly. B. Because this is a capital letter. Capital letter always have its original sound like B. Whenever we will write in small letter, it will become B. You can see on page number 8, B, B. So write on the red line till the blue line, on the dots. Same way you have to complete the full page. You can see over here, black dot on the red line. You have to start from here till the blue second line, here. And you turn from here and turn again. Start from here, turn from here and here. And you have to do complete all this page. Now let us read these pictures. B balloon, B ball, B bee. These pictures also begin with letter B. B balloon, B ball, B bee. You have to do reading of page number 8 and write page number 9. Now take out your English copy series. Mind Quiz English copy series. The work you have done in your book, the same work you have to do in your copy. Open your copies. Page number 9. Page number 9. This work is also for KG1. Say B and enjoy the pictures. Write the date 13 July 2020. You can see the pictures. A bear, a balloon, a ball. You have to trace these letters, beginning sound of B and B. Start from the dot and end on this arrow. Same you have to do from here. Trace on the dots and curve and come down. You have to make this with pencil. Don't use color while writing on the dots. Make this also B. B. And the sound of B is B. B bear. You have to color the bear brown. You can see brown color. Color the bear in brown color. I have done for you. Then take an orange color and color the book. The bear is holding a book in his hand. Yes, you have to color this book orange. Very good. You can see this balloon. I have colored these dots in orange color. You have to color this in orange. Yes. Now take out your peach color and color the balloon peach, as I have done your work. Okay. Now a ball. You can see a ball. You can color this ball with one color also. But if you do different colors, it will look more beautiful and prominent. I have done red, blue, pink, green, purple and yellow color. And in between I have done orange color. Same way you also have to do these colors. Let me do this color again. Orange color in between. And then blue color, pink color, green color, and please touch the line while doing your colors. Don't let the colors come out from the line. Then purple color, yellow color and red color. Multicolors you have to do in the ball. Very good. Now read again. B bear, B balloon, B ball. After doing coloring, come to page number 10 and page number 11. Write today's date 13th July 2020. Both the pages, page number 10 and 11, you have to do from home. You have to use the same method you have done in your book. You have to trace the dots on the two lines you can see on the top, and after tracing on these two lines, you have to write over here. Let me do one for you. You have to trace all these letters written on the top and you have to write over here. Start from the top till the light line, second light line. Then you have to draw B. Same way you have to complete page number 10 and page number 11. Write your work online and your work should be very neat. Same way you have to complete this page, page number 10 and page number 11. Read the words again. B. What is this word? Letter B. Very good. You have to do this work also same as page number 10. Trace all these dots and here you have to write like this on the full page. You have to complete this full page. This is your English work. Read again. Bear, ball and balloon. Bear, balloon, ball. Very good. This was your English class. Take care. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to your KG1 class for maths. Today we are going to do our maths work. Take out your maths books. Mind Quiz Mathematics. This is your maths books. Open your books. Page number 4. Page number 4. Open your books. Page number 4. Today we will do our counting from 1 till 20. You have done in KG in your Montessori class? Yes. So today we will going to start our same work. We will read, we will count and then we will write. Very good. First of all, write today's date, 13th July 2020. Write CW in your books. Read the heading. Write the numbers 1 to 20. Now we will going to start our work. So let us start. Please do very neat work. Write on the lines. You can see a box. It's such a big box, but don't write such a big number. You have to write like me, how I am writing. Start. 1, 2, 3. Touch the line and write all the numbers on line. 4, 5. Very good. Read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now, what comes after 5? 6. You have to write on the top over here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Very good. Let us read again from 1 till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now what will come after 10? We will start from here. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. Very good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What comes after 15? We have to write on the top. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. What comes after 19? 2, 0, 20. Very good. You can see these boxes. I have done on these boxes. Please write on the line. Touch all the numbers with the lines while writing. And then you have to do this work. Read again. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now you have to do page number 4. Very neat and tidy. Write on the lines. Read these numbers at least 5 times while playing, while eating, and while doing any work. Counting should always be done in your routine work. Now, open your maths copies. You can see your maths copy series. This is your Mind Quiz maths copy series. You have to do the same work in maths copy series. Take out your copy series. Open your book copies, page number 9. You can see page number 9. Open your book copies, page number 9. Write today's date, 13th July 2020. Same work you have done in your book, you have to do in your copies. Write the numbers 1 till 20. One page I have done for you. Let's start again. You have to start from here. Leave one line and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One line you have done, then leave this one line and start from the top. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From the next line, 1, 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. When you will do page number 9, you have to do page number 10 same as page number 9. You can see I have written over here these dots. I have drawn these dots over here. You have to write from here 1 and so on till 10, 11 till 20, then start again from 1 till 10 and from 11 till 20. This was your classwork, page number 9, and page number 10 is your homework. You have to do the same work on both the pages, page number 9 and page number 10. And one thing more, class, remember this work, count and color the pictures. You have to count these numbers and color the picture, page number 7. You have to color all the mangoes, crabs, ice cream, seahorse and ice creams over here. You have to do this work, coloring one, and page number 8 you have to match with the numbers. Write today's date and start page number 7 and 8 also. These numbers you have to match and these numbers you have to color. Now come to page number 9 and page number 10. Write 1 till 20. You have to do 4 pages in your copy series. Page number 8, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this was your copy and book work. I hope you understand all my work. Do counting till 1 till 20. Read it at least 5 times. Do your work very neat and tidy. Take care. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.